All right, for the Snow Rabbit, access to everything is right underneath the armrest, and everything just plugs right in. You've got your onboard diagnostic 9-pin, and then there's a special harness that we're going to need as well. So all of that just plugs together. The Geotab device then is connected on. This one's pretty simple compared to the rest.
Pretty straightforward. We're just going to add these. We're going to start with the satellite portion of it. So this is basically plug and play one harness into the existing data connector with the harness that we spoke about earlier. And then once that's done, we continue with the satellite unit.
And remember, again, we're talking about the Geotab satellite device, and all of these satellite devices, you'll see these blue wires which you'll cap off, bundle together. They won't be used. They are for an alert emergency button that may or may not be installed down the road with the OFSC. All right, so at this point what we've decided to do is drill an access hole for the satellite antenna, and so then you clean the surface of the console, and we're running the wire down, and it will connect to the GPS device at the back of the console where we looked just previous. Make sure again every time that you're putting in any of these satellite antennas that they have a clear view of the sky. When it's taped down just like that, it will connect and you'll have it work with the satellite system. So at this point, Jim's wrapping up all of that wonderful installation. So again, we've got the Iridium satellite antenna, and we've got the equipment inside there. So it starts off in the back, running underneath.
So basically what I've done is I've connected in the Y cable that we have for the 9-pin into the data connector, which is shown down here, and the device is mounted on the bottom side of the armrest. I can zoom away here, and what I've done is brought all the wires, the connections of the GR9 into here, and I mounted the satellite, all the satellite hardware like the IOXs underneath here, and I ran the wire up through the front dash. I had to drill a hole here, right here, and then I'm going to put a little bit of sealer there around there, and most of the components are down underneath here, other than the GR9 that's underneath the armrest here.